Hi, I'm Goyal, they them pronouns. I'm the Newcomb and ITC XR Fellow at Dartmouth's Dev Studio. I want to tell you a bit about how we're going to be using Hubs for the upcoming conference. General outline for this video. First, we're going to talk about how to log in, because you need to be logged in to enter any rooms. And then we're going to talk about how to enter rooms on your screen, like on a laptop or desktop, or on a connected VR headset, like a HTC Vive or an Oculus Rift, or entering it on a standalone VR headset like Oculus Go or Quest. So the first thing you want to do if you're going to be entering VR on a connected headset, again that's like the Vive or the Oculus Rift, is you want to go to webvr.rocks. This website has a list of what browsers will work on what OSs for which devices. So, for example, if you are on Windows, then Chromium will work for a Vive or an Oculus. If you're on Firefox, same. If you're on a Mac, Firefox will work for Vive, nothing else. Chromium would not. But if you're going to enter on your screen or on a separate device, don't worry about it. Cool. So, next thing we want to do is go to dartmouthhubs.org in any browser. After that, you want to click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Type in the same email address you used to sign up for the event and press the green Next button. An email will be sent from noreply@mail.dartmouthhubs.org to verify your email address. There won't be a password required, it's just an email verification. It might be in your junk or spam folder, make sure to check that. But the email will contain a link to click. Once you click that link, your email will be verified on that browser and computer. You'll be logged into Dartmouth Hubs, as you can see here in the top right corner. Once you're logged in, entering a room on a laptop or desktop is probably the simplest, so we'll start from there. So there's links on the program page to different rooms. Right now those links are not up, so instead I'm just going to create a room real quick, because most of the steps after creating that room are the same. Okay, so if you see a white button saying watch from lobby, that means the room is full. You'd still be able to see and hear others, but you wouldn't be able to talk or move around. If a room is full, you're always welcome to go find another room from the program page and join it instead. Once you're in a room, you can also change rooms, so if you have a friend or colleague that's already in a room and you want to be in the same room as them, they can also just go to a different room that has more spots and you can join them there. If instead you see a green button saying enter room, that means there's space in the room and you can click on that button. If this is your first time in Dartmouth Hubs, you'll be prompted to choose an avatar and a name. Please use the name you signed up with, or another name that people know you by and you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable doing so, please include your pronouns in your name so that people know better how to address you. Then click on the next green button that says Enter on Screen. Here you can choose and test out different audio options. You can choose to mute your mic before entering. Once you're done with that, you can click Enter Now. You can always change your name and avatar by clicking on the hamburger menu in the top left corner and going to Set Name and Avatar. You can also change audio and movement options by going to the hamburger menu and Preferences. Here you can change how fast you move, you can change how much you rotate at a time, and a bunch of other stuff. If instead you're trying to open up a room on a connected headset, you want to use Mozilla Firefox. That's the best browser for this. You will see if you open a room in Mozilla Firefox, you'll see in the top left corner this button that says Allow Virtual Reality Access. You want to go ahead and give that a click, and basically what that's going to do is that's going to start the browser searching for a VR headset to use once you click the green button down below. So I don't have a device connected right now, but if you had one, it would show up there and you could click on it and follow the prompts from there. If instead you're trying to enter on a standalone VR headset, you click on this white button here, and it gives you this link, dhubs.link, and a one-time letter code. You're going to keep this web page open in a tab, and then go to your headset, enter dhubs.link, and enter the one-time letter code in the web page that pops up. From there, your account and avatar will be transferred to the device. Thank you so much for coming to this conference. I hope to see you there. If you have any other questions, you can always contact the organizers of this event. Also, we're going to be posting a written up transcript of basically everything I went over in this video. Thank you. Have a good day.